Hello everybody, this is Joe, Anime Freak 324. Today I got a Toshiba Satellite, model P745 with a broken screen. I'm going to replace the screen today. I got the screen from laptopscreen.com. First remove the battery. Batteries removed. There'll be 4 little stickers. I previously removed them to cover the hidden screws on the screen. Okay, took out the 3 screws. I took out actually all 4 screws. Sorry. So now I just gotta kind of lure this off here. Okay, a little tricky on the bottom here. Alright, that comes off one piece. Voila, there's your screen. Now, behind here, as you can see, there are 3 black screws holding the frame to the screen. Okay. Those will be removed. Try not to be too rough with it, as you don't want the screen to crack in your hand. I mean, the old screen's already broken, so that doesn't matter, but of course you don't want that to happen with a new screen.
Even though our mom tries, she doesn't really get us. And she'll never know who we are or what. No way! Maddie girls? Maggie! So awesome! Thank you!
The screen. Okay, put this down here. You have to disconnect the camera. The new screen has a camera. Let's make sure. Otherwise, we got a problem. Okay, the screen doesn't think I have a camera. Yes, we do have a problem here. Oh, no, my bad. It connects at the bottom. Okay. Alright.
Part of the Coach Fragrance Collection. Available at Macy's, your fragrance destination. Introducing Kellogg's Crave, a totally different breed of chocolate cereal. Wicked crunch outside, smooth chocolate inside. Crave cereal, chocolate.
Okay, the trick is to remove this without breaking it. I believe that was it. Alright, basically pulls out. It's just a matter of removing the tape that covers it up. And they plug right back in on the new screen.
I'm in love with a rock star.
Rocktivity ride lets you walk the ride, or playing tunes cool enough with your playlist. It's twice the enchantment, twice the nanny. A nanny's job isn't always pretty. Then the network television premiere.
Of course, my phone has to ring now. Let's just ignore that. Okay, now. One second. Sorry.
Are you sure?
Sorry.
Not your phone, it's the TV.
Okay, we gotta remove the tape and the plastic cover. And we just slip the screen back into the housing. Okay, let it rest into the frame, and we have to reattach the housing.
TVs again.
Okay.
Messed up my leg.
She's a self-made woman of vegetables. On the other side, she can only destroy it cooking at the time. She gets better. That's all that we see. It's not always strong. But
Helps to have a magnetic screwdriver.
first time I saw you,
Are you going to mess up?
to see your appetite for food, for life. I'm so sorry.
A little tricky to put these screws in.
How come?
A little tricky than I thought. Okay, once you have the first screw in, the other one should just line up. Sorry for the interruptions. Don't over tighten them, just tighten until they're snug. And that should be fine. Okay, number three screws on each side.
Celle qui m'a aidé à vous préparer tous ces délicieux menus et qui nous vient de Louisiane. J'ai nommé Mademoiselle Georgia Bird.
Okay, one more screw. Where is my screw?
Next time, we'll do things different. With love more. We'll see you work. Don't be so afraid.
Is that you?
Okay, my screw seems to have dropped. Okay, I'm just gonna put in the battery pack to show that it is functioning. And And there you go. Okay, this is a replacement of a screen, Toshiba Satellite P745. All that's left to do, put back the cover, 4 screws, 4 stickers, and you're done. Thank you.